Let's see how multiplication was done using Roman numerals in ancient times. We will take a simple example, 12 into 17. If we solve this using our modern decimal number system, we simply multiply the numbers and get the answer, 204. But how would people solve the same multiplication using Roman numerals? Let's explore that. First, how do we write 12 in Roman numerals? X, I, I. Now, what about 17? X, V, I. Instead of multiplying directly, the ancient method uses two columns. On the left side, we keep halving 12. Start with 12. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 3 would be 1.5. But in this method, we do not use fractions. So we simply take 1. Once we reach 1, we stop. So the left column becomes 12, 6, 3, 1. Now let's look at the right side. Here we start with 17 and each time we double the number. First, double 17. To understand this, Roman numerals, remember the rules. If we double x, we write 2x, which means 20. But what about v? Roman numerals do not allow repeating v. So instead of writing v, we convert into x, which means v plus v equal to 10. So when we double 17, we get 34. Now let's double 34. The value of x is 30. Doubling 30 gives 60. And how we write 60 in Roman numerals? 50 plus 10. That becomes Lx. Now double the remaining 4. Doubling 4 gives 8. So the number on the right side keep doubling step by step. Now comes the clever trick used in this method. Look at the numbers on the left column. If a number is even, we remove that row completely. Let's check them one by one. 12 is even, remove it. 6 even, remove it. But 3 is odd, so we keep it. And 1 is also odd, so we keep that too. Now focus on the right column values that correspond to those odd numbers. Those numbers are the ones we add together. When adding Roman numerals, we usually write larger value first and then smaller value. Start with C, then write L. Now count the X symbols. There are 4X. So we write XX, XX. Next, we notice 2 V's. But remember the rule. 2 V combine to form X. So that becomes one more X. Finally, there are 4 I's. Now we simplify everything. 2 L's together make 100, which is written as C. So now we have C plus C 200 and the remaining 4 gives us 204. So the final answer is 204. And that is how multiplication could be done using Roman numerals in ancient times. Instead of the multiplication tables we use today, they use the method of halving, doubling and eliminating rows. Ancient mathematics was often very visual and very logical.